Hey everybody, we're going to be reviewing the teaser. It's like a 30-second, maybe 40-second little preview. Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn, Gotham City Sirens. I don't know. It says Birds of Prey, so that's probably what it's going to be called. I always thought it was going to be Gotham City Sirens, but it's going to have Harley Quinn in it. I don't know how long. Hopefully it's not one of those, okay, they're going to revolve it around her and then she's never going to barely be in the movie like they did with Jared Leto in Suicide Squad. So, let's get into it. Let's see what's going on, alright? So, alright, let's see. And we are off. Okay. Okay, whoa, that went really fast. Okay. That's it? Wow. Huh. That's quite interesting, actually. That's really quick. I don't, I mean, there's, I'm looking at it like there's, it went quick. Let me just dissect this a little bit. Hold on, because I need to dissect this. Alright, let's play. You see Harley Quinn, you see Huntress. Okay, I don't know who that is. Whoever has the cast, Gotham, it might be her. She broke her hand, maybe? Oh, yeah, I think she did, didn't she? So it might be a continuation, I think, from that. I can't remember offhand. Okay. The Bat. Okay, I don't know if that's her. Okay, Huntress. I want to say Black Canary. Oh, I don't know who she is. I don't know who he is. That's Harley Quinn. I mean, it's a new look. I think she's going to be more punk rock. See you soon. Okay, she's just a shorter haired version, probably. I mean, let's see. Yeah, I mean, I don't know who the blonde dude is. I don't know who he is. I can't remember offhand. Like I said, honestly, I thought it was going to be different. But all in all, leave your comments. Tell me what you think. It's a good opening. It's just too, I don't know, something's just weird about it. But it's really cool as it is. So let's just keep that going and let's see what happens. Alright. Bye.